Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up Tutanota on your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to set up Tutanota on your phone, you just simply have to open your Play Store application. Now, after opening the Play Store, just simply click on the search button here and then enter Tutanota in the search tab and click search. Then, this private encrypted email Tutanota will appear. Just simply select that application which is in red and white colors. After finding this application, just simply click on the install button here. Depending on your internet connection, your Tutanota application will be installed into your device. And now, as you can see, this app is successfully installed into my device. You just simply have to open an account here and serve the world of Tutanota. By following these very easy steps, you can also set up your Tutanota into your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.